G'day, welcome to another episode of Country Life on the Coast. My name is Sean, and on today's episode I'm going to start with the build of our new carport / entertaining area. So we've decided to put a new carport in behind our existing shed, and we'll use that partly as an entertaining area as well. So I've run a line out here to sort of show you roughly where one side of it is. The dimensions of it, it's 6 meters across by 9 meters long, so it's a really good size. It's actually the same size as our shed actually, except with a bit of a gap between the two. So we've been through the process of buying the kit, doing the council approval process, and around here you actually use a private certifier to arrange that approval. So we've done that, we've got the approved documents, everything ready to go. And so first thing tomorrow morning, the concreters are turning up, and the plan is that by tomorrow afternoon the slab will be down. So it's going to look a little bit different tomorrow, which will be great. So I'm going to film as they install the slab. There's a fair bit of work they've got to do, but it's the first step of it, so really looking forward to it. This is going to be a great addition for us. We just have to hope that it doesn't rain tomorrow. Hey guys, well the concrete pour is well underway. I've been busy doing other things this morning, so I haven't been able to film all of it. Just let the time lapse going. And the guys are flying through. It's going to be done in no time. So it's boxed up nice and quickly this morning, and we can see they've got extra footings here where our posts go in. So the rest are already under concrete. But that'll be a post just there, and there's another one over there too. So they drilled the holes for that. Can't believe how quick it's going. Just fantastic. a few days later now after the slab was done, and the guys that came and did it, they did an awesome job. I'm really happy with it. Not just the speed they did, but the finish. It's fantastic. So the next step of what we have to do is install the carport, but that will be in a future episode. So that's all we have for this one. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and it'd be great. And we'll catch you next time. God bless.